to do some of my favorite crafts. Since it is the Christmas season, I'm going to teach you guys how to make some personalized angel ornaments with your little face on them so that you're the angel. Shout out to my mama who came up with this idea a long time ago when me and my sister were kids. We made lots of these when we were younger. Lots of them. Our Christmas tree used to be covered in me and my sister angels. But they're really fun to make and I can't wait to make it with you. Here are the supplies that you will need for this craft. 1 gold sparkly pipe cleaner. 2 paper doilies. These are about 8 inches. So you can use, I would recommend somewhere between 5 inches and like 8 inches. 1 clothespin. Some scissors. A hot glue gun with glue in it, obviously. And a picture of yourself. The first thing we are going to do is take one of our paper doilies and we're going to fold it in half, like this. Then we're going to take our second doily and we're going to fold it in half again. We're going to do some more folding, but first fold it in half. Now you're going to take these 2 corners here and you're going to fold it behind, like this. Then you are going to glue both of them together like this, so that this one is in front of the other. When you are doing this craft and you're using the hot glue gun, make sure you have your parents help you because hot glue hurts really badly if you get it on your skin. So make sure you have an older sibling or a guardian or parent or teacher help you. So now that we have this done with the pretty wings and the dress of the angel, now we are going to take our clothespin and we are going to hot glue it in the back of our angel like this. Now it looks like this. Actually, let's go ahead and, since it opens up like this, we don't really necessarily want that, so let's go ahead and take some of our glue and glue a little bit in between our doily right there, just to keep it closed. Aha, perfect. Now we get to do my favorite part. My favorite part is where we take the picture that you have of yourself and we are going to cut out your face so we can put it on our angel, like this. So now that we have our little face, now we are going to glue it onto our angel like this. Ta-da! Don't put too much glue when you're putting on the picture because then it can kind of warp the picture. So only put a little tiny bit. So now that we're done with that, we just have one more thing to do. Now we have to add our halo, of course. So what you do is we are going to form our little halo using our pipe cleaner. by making a little circle at the very, very top of the pipe cleaner, like this. And then twist it so it will stay together. So then you have this little halo for your angel. So now we gotta cut it because it's kind of long. So let's go ahead and take our angel and let's place it right above our head, and let's see how much we gotta cut. Let's see. I'm gonna leave about 1 inch at the very top. So now we have our little halo. Now we just have to glue it. Let's glue it right behind our head on our clothespin. Right here. And we are all done with our little angel ornament. And then you just plop it right on the tree using the clothespin. Look how cute! Thank you all so much for making this really cool angel ornament with me. If you had lots of fun, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any great crafting videos or stories or other stuff. If you did this craft, I would love to see pictures. You can email me at jukiedavie@gmail.com, or you can message me on my other platforms. Everything is in my description below. I would love to see your ornament or any of the other crafts I have done. I hope you all had lots of fun, and I will see you all next time on Jukie Davie Crafts. Goodbye, everyone! Halo using our pipe cleaner.